Okay, let me start from first. I just forgot on the record. Okay, what is the topic, guys? What is the topic? Creating components. What do you mean by components? Components, it is nothing but building block of React application or components. Building block of React application or React components. Yes or no? Yes. So now React application means you people, for React application you have another one name that is also called as single page application. Okay, so now for understanding what this React application is or what do you mean by components, I have considered your Google page. Where you have one bar called as taskbar, and you also have one bar which is called as search bar. Yes or no? And you will have, since it is a Google page, I have taken the name as Google. And here you will be having a text field, not a text field, a search bar, where you will be having the search icon, you will be having a camera, and you will also be having a mic. Yes. So now, what do you mean by React application? React will be used to develop the complete full stack or only the front end? Only the front end. So now, whichever example I have considered, that is only the front end. Yes. So now, can I call this as React application? Yes. Now, what do you mean by components? Here, you have one component. This is another one component. This is also another one component. This is an image. This is also a component. Yes or no? So now, single symbol component which makes one complete React application. Components is nothing but apps or widgets. Okay, clear? So now, is this only the components here? These and all are the main components. Don't you think that inside one component you can have more number of components also? How, ma'am? If you consider the search text field, search text field is one component. Yes, search text field is one component. Don't you think this icon, the search icon is also another one component? This camera is also another one component. That means Google Lens is also another one component. Mic is also another one component. Inside this one, can you tell me what is the next other component? Obviously, you will be having a search field here also. Yes or no? So, it is not that you in one single React application, you will have only minimum components. It is not that one single component means every time it does not consist of one single component. A component can itself consider or consists of more number of components. Example is this one. Okay, take down this example, then I'll continue. Online students, clear? Online students. My dear online students, yes. Guys, I'll take React very slow. Please don't think that, ma'am, yaಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು slow ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Okay. You want me to do it fast? Please tell me, I'll do it fast. You want it fast? No, man. ಇರೋದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Fast ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Done. After this, I'll do this components, and I'll even show you one code or how to build the components inside React application. Okay, by using both Vite and React framework. After that, I will tell you what is JSX. Okay, and then we will solve HackerRank questions. You people have to solve. At least ಇವತ್ತಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ರೋ ಎಷ್ಟು questions solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? How many questions you have solved? 44. Out of ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. There is only 55 questions. So as soon as you solve 55 questions, you'll get rank number 1. Huh? Then I guess you people have around 100 questions or something. ಹೌದಾ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. How much you have completed, Shrisha? Why? ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಈ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಟ್ತಾನೇ ಇರ್ತೀಯ ತಾನೆ? ಹಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಾ? ಚಾಟ್ ಜಿಪಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? Okay, one ನಿಮಿಷ, one question I want to ask. You are solving HackerRank questions, no? Is there any question that I have not done or the topic I have not done? Huh? Level ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕ್ರೋ, ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೀವ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅದು ನಿಮಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. That is not my problem. I have taught you, see, every queries I have written on the board. Yes or no? Everything I have solved. Yes, maybe I couldn't do it in the laptop or something, but still everything I have solved it here. Assignment questions also I have solved. Yes, ma'am, hard level ide, medium level ide, moderate level ide, idu ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನಿ ನಾನು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. My previous company students know where I was working, there they just solved in one night. Next day morning they got rank number 1. They all came and they showed me. ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಬಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೋ ಅಂತ. HackerRank ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಡವಾ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ? Yeah, online students, how many questions you have solved? Online students ಅವ್ರೇನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, so now you people understood what do you mean by React application, what do you mean by components, or what is a component, or you have also got to know that it's not in one single component, you can consist of more number of components inside that. Yes, now this is according to the user interface. You got to know what is components according to the code. Yes, according to the code. Can you tell me what is components? Yes, I'll display the code. Everyone open your laptops. Is there anyone who has not yet done the installation? Is there anyone like, man, still now I have not done the installation? Everyone has done? Nagul? Now can I open directly Visual Studio Code and directly I can select the folder? Yes. Guys, are you people feeling React is difficult? Huh? Yes, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಇನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But the thing is, you people have to practice, that's all. No practice, nothing will, especially React. Because React, ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ HTML, CSS ಇರಲ್ಲ, HTML, JavaScript ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ, which you people will get confused. ರಿತೇಶ್ ನೀನ್ ಇದೇ ತರ screen is visible. Yes. So now just observe the screen. Screen beda, observe your laptop. Observe, everyone observe your laptop. Guys, if you people observe here, can you see something called as app.jsx? Can you see app.jsx? Yes. So now, whenever you want to mention any component is like, as now I showed you, you want to display some icon, you want to display some link or anything, then you have to give that components inside this app.jsx. This is the main folder where your entire React is working. Because see, HTML code used to get saved in .html, CSS.css, JavaScript.js. But yesterday only I said you, since this React.js uses or it gives a link between your HTML and JavaScript code, it will be saved with the extension .jsx. What is JSX? JavaScript XML file. Clear? Yes. Whatever component you have to mention, you will always be mentioning this inside app.jsx. Clear? Yes. So now, okay. So now I will go to this app.jsx. Okay. So now, first of all, what do you people mean by function? What do you people mean by function? Set of statements. Okay. So now, if I have to create any component or something, what I will do, I will go to this SRC folder. Go to this SRC folder, right click and click on new folder. Click on new folder. Everyone do it simultaneously. Go to SRC. Go to SRC folder, right click and create a new folder. Create a new folder and give the name as components. And give the name as components. Done? Done? Yes or no? One second. Yeah, guys, you have to click on new file. Sorry. Yeah, new folder. There you give it as components. Done? Yes. So this components folder is created. Yes or no? So now just click on those components. In that components, go there and right click and click on new file. Click on new file. Yes, done. Now for this new file, I will say hello.jsx. Hello.jsx and enter. Yes. So you what file? Where is not? Not Hello World, Wheat project. Yeah, guys, first of all, what you have to do in this SRC folder, you have to create a new folder called as components. And when you create the folder components, inside that components folder, you have to create one more file called as what? Hello.jsx. Okay. Why JSX? Why JSX? See, this, what do you mean by JSX? What do you mean by JSX? It is a HTML. It is like a HTML and JavaScript code, but it is not that. But it is not that. Then what it is? Then what it is? Yes, it is an XML file. I know that. But when you are using React, no? When you are using React, the return type, The return type for React or for Vite should always be JSX. The return type should always be JSX. Clear? Done? That is the reason I'm storing every folder with .jsx extension. See, when you create the folder as .jsx also, can you see the icon as what it is getting saved? The icon is getting saved as React. Why React? Because JSX is used to create a link between your HTML folder and JavaScript folder. Clear with what is JSX? Yes. So now what I will do here? Now I will use a function. I will just say function and I'll give a space and I'll take the function name as hello. I will take the function name as hello. Do you people remember functions? Do you people remember functions? Yes or no? Now, can you tell me why I'm using the keyword functions here? Obviously, if you are using, whatever JavaScript means, what do you mean by JavaScript? It does the functional, it is used for performing the functionalities in a web page or a website. That is the reason I'm using only functions. See, here I'm not writing any HTML code. Am I writing doc type HTML, head, body, script, link? I'm not using anything here. It doesn't mean that I will not use any HTML. I will use, but when I started writing the program, I am not using any HTML code or JavaScript code. Am I not using JavaScript? I am using, no, but in JavaScript, I am using functions. Clear? Why functions? Since React uses JavaScript, you always have to start with function only. Okay. When you call, now you have used the keyword called as function and you have also given the function name. Yes or no? Now, next line what I have to write. Just now I said, whenever you use .jsx, the return type, sorry, whenever you use React, the return type should be .jsx. So don't you think that I have to use something called as return there? Yes or no? So now what I will do here, I will say return, and now what I will do, I'll open the brackets. Now I will just use one div tag. I will just use one div tag and I will say class name. I will say class name, and inside this class name, I will give it as app. Clear till here? Clear till here? Yes or no? Yes or no? So now I will write here something called as yeah. Now what is the difference between this tag and this one? See, now whenever you wanted to type some content, you were just giving the name. You were not using any angular brackets. Yes or no? But I will say this complete thing is JSX. This complete thing is JSX. Why JSX? Is because, see, whenever I was storing the file name, in HTML or CSS or in JavaScript, have I ever kept any file name starting letter as capital? Any starting letter as capital? No. But when you're saving a JSX file or you're using components, your starting file name or starting name, whatever you are using if you're using JSX code, then you have to start the first letter with capital. You have to start the first letter with capital. See now, this complete thing is a JavaScript function. JavaScript function where you have used the keyword called as function and you have also given the function name, and according to what I said, React return type is always .jsx. Yes or no? .jsx means, what is .jsx? If I want to type something, everything should be written inside the angular brackets, but starting with a capital letter. Is it starting with a capital letter? Yes or no? Yes or no? So now what I have to do? What I have to do? Now wait a second. Instead of this now, just see here. I will use h1 tag. 1 second. I will use h1 tag and I will say hello from components. I will say hello from components. Now I'll just save this. I'll just save this. Guys, see here. I wrote something called as hello, no? Don't take that now. Just be there. Now, I want to type this something called, I want this one to be printed where? Printed where? By using Vite and React framework, it has to be printed on my web page. Yes. Now, I want to display this as my output. What I have to do now? Huh? Semicolon, no? Huh? I have to give semicolon, na? Yell kodbek ma? Illa. Illa. I should give semicolon? If you give also, it's okay. If you don't give also, nothing is going to happen. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So now I want to run this on my web page. What I have to do? Huh? Angalama, I want to display that. What I have to do? I have to go to command prompt. Okay, what you will go and type in command prompt? What you will type in command prompt? The Vite project has to start, no? What you will use? What you will use? You will use something called as npm run dev. I'll get it. What happened? What happened? What you'll do now? Huh? Can I just directly run it here? Can I run it here only? Run ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Guys, now I'm saying that I have written hello from components. No, I want this to be displayed on my web page. So now, for displaying that web page, should you use command prompt or can you directly run this? You should use command prompt. Who will say, ma'am, I should use command prompt? Raise your hands. What will happen if I directly run it? Run it in your laptops. Run it in your laptops. Guys, you have an option, something called as run and debug, no? Click on that. Run annadu marthogbididira? Huh? You're getting? I'm asking such a simple question. Shrisha, what happened to you today? Huh? What you're getting? Huh? Now obviously it means that you have to open. You have to open using. Now tell me, what is the command you're going to give here? Obviously not npm run dev. What you'll give? What you'll give? Helro. Tell what you'll give. Unless and until you people don't say, I will not cut them. Online students, what you have to give here? Now I want to run that one. What I have to give? Huh? What I have to do? Which project? I have to go to run here. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. That is what I'm asking. What command you have to put? Someone is saying an npm install, someone is saying npm run dev. Ella install madadmele you got something called as happy hacking. After happy hacking, if you have to use that file name, you will use cd space file name. No, what is the file name? That is what I'm asking. Is it, should you take cd Vite project or will you take cd hello? cd Vite project. ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್? ಓ ನೆನೆ ನೀನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇರೋ now what I have to do now it is using the wheat project here yes next what I have to give npm I have to give npm run dev enter now is it working guys if this has see usually what you people used to do in html css or javascript you used to go to this button here you used to click that and it used to run there yes or no sorry now since it is react and wheat framework you are using that is the reason it will not directly run if you run also you will get an error so what you have to do you have to go to command prompt in that command prompt first take the project name cd space project name what is the project name wheat project not hello wheat project then click on enter it will take the project name after that give what you will give after that you will give npm run dev yes done you got it now you can see something called as localhost yes or no yes or no so now in some people's laptop it will work directly now let me copy this and paste this yeah what I gave there what was the content which I gave in h1 tag hello from components now why am I getting hello world why am I getting hello world yeah it is the old one I know that why hello world ma'am you said you when you type it you will get the output I'm not getting the output why if you people remember whenever you declare a function you have to call that function yes or no you have to call that function how you'll call the function now just go here should I take it after the curly brackets or before the curly brackets after the curly brackets now I will just say export default and what is the name here app or should I give hello pakka hello na app hello or app okay why you will give hello since that is the function name you have declared the function you have to call that function so you'll give it as hello yes okay let me give it as hello now HELLO correct now I'll give semicolon I'll save it go back start what happened what you have to give there should you give export default hello or export default app hello kodtira app kodtira okay now let us try by giving app yes where is it now instead of hello give here as app will I get no I'm not getting still why you have exported but where have you imported app.jsx have you imported or not you have not imported ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ okay so now if I have to call the function if I have to import the function what I have to do if I have to import the function what I have to do here I will say import what is the function name here what is the function hello from which one dot slash what is it why you're giving it as component it is the wait components then what you'll give slash That's all. I'll close this, and give a semicolon. Now will it work? Will it work? Yes or no? Huh? Call which one? Now how to call hello here? How to call the function here? Where you have to call? Inside this return, what you have to type here? What you have to type here? Now, I will just say HELLO space. Hey, why is not coming? 1 second. Huh? Here. Here you'll put it. You'll draw. Now will I get? Now will I get? Huh? Sorry? You got it? You come and do it here, Srisha. Guys, 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, if you are mentioning any components, what you have to do? If you are mentioning any components, you have to go to the SRC folder. Inside that SRC folder, you will create something called as components. Inside that, I want to create the first component, something called as hello from components. Okay. For that reason, I have to create a new file called as hello.jsx. Why H is capital here? Since it is a React application, and for React application, the return type is .jsx, and for any .jsx folder, any .jsx application, you have to take the starting letter as capital. Clear till here? Clear till here? Now, I have to, I will go to this hello.jsx, and what I'll do, since it is a JavaScript, I will be using the function keyword here. Yes, JavaScript is used for doing functionalities. So I will take the function keyword. I will call the function name called as hello. Clear till here? Clear till here? Now I have to get the return type also. That is JSX. Yes or no? So what I will do, I have just taken a div tag and I've given class name is equals to app. Clear till here also? Next one, what I'm doing, I want to print this content. Hello from components. I have to print this content on the web page. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just print this. Now, if I run alone this one, I will not get the output. Why I will not get the output? It is because I have declared the function, but I have never called the function here. So now, again, I will call the function export default. And what is the function name? It is hello. Clear till here? Clear till here? Now, if that has to, before only I said you something that if anything has to get displayed on your web page, you will be doing it in app.jsx. Yes or no? app.jsx. So now I will go to this app.jsx, and now JSX, how will you mention? How will you mention the JSX? See, this and all, whatever you have written here, this is the JavaScript function. Yes, JSX means you will open the angular brackets and you will start with the capital letters. Yes or no? And you will just close this till here. Clear till here? Clear till here? So now, see, this complete thing is JavaScript. Whatever I have written till here, it is JavaScript. This one, this alone, this is there, no? This is .jsx. This is the JSX type which I have written. Clear? Clear till here? Now again, if I run, I will not get it. Why I will not get it? Because think that you people wouldn't have exported this app.jsx. Now I have called the function. Sorry, I have declared the function. I have to call the function here also. I have called the function. Again, when you click, you will get an error. Why? Because you have exported the application. You have exported app.jsx. You have exported hello.jsx also. But where have you imported it? This application you have to import. No, this application you have to import. That is the reason you will give import. What is the file name of the JSX? Hello from components and hello. This hello folder is present inside this components only. Yes or no? That is the reason I'm giving dot components space and the file. Done. Done. Kanaya. I'll separately teach you. Guys, who's not understanding? Okay, others? Others? Kai etri. Onnond satine id madidre. I don't know how to make you people understand. Online students, are you people understanding, or even you people have doubt? Online students. Online students. Hey, no, they have joined here. Online students. No, they are there. 19 were there. They are there. Online students, are you people? Okay, doubt. What doubt you have, Dhanshekar? Dhanshekar, what doubt you have? Guys, what is so difficult in that? Okay, since you people are using many files, that is the reason you people are getting you're feeling it complicated. Huh? Once again, yeah, I will explain. Okay, guys, what do you mean by components, first of all? What do you mean by components? Guys, okay, forget about the definition also. Forget about the definition, everything you forget. Whenever I want to add any components inside the web page or anything by using React, what I have to do? I have to put it inside this app.jsx. Clear till there? Clear till there? Online students, follow this. You will be writing it in app.jsx. Clear? Clear? But every component I cannot put it here because this is the main application. App.jsx is the main application which will run. That is the output where you will get. Clear? Clear till here? Any doubt? Any doubt? No? Done? Whenever you are mentioning any components, where you have to mention app.jsx. But directly inside app.jsx, I cannot mention. That is the reason I am creating one separate folder called as components. I am creating a separate folder called as components. Folder is there. Where is the file? I have to put some word there. I want to print some word there. So I have to create another one file with .jsx extension. Clear till there? Clear till there? Any doubt? Hey, ನೀವು react ಮಾಡ್ರೋ ನನಗೆ react class ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ reaction ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Please react something. Don't sit like dead bodies. Clear till there? ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು doubt ಇದೆಯಾ? Okay, I will ask question now. If you have to create any component, in which folder will you in which one will you create? App.jsx. In app.jsx, can I directly put all the components there? Why? Because app.jsx is the main folder where your complete project will be running. Yes or no? Clear till here? Now, I have to put something, I have to put some component on the web page. Then what I have to do? I will create a new folder in SRC as components. Yes, clear till there also? I have created the folder, but where is the file name? I have to give some file name to it, but with what extension? JSX extension. For this file name, the starting letter, if I take it as small letter, it will not take. You will not get this React symbol. You will get just a file name. Okay, done. Since it is JSX syntax, I will take the starting letter in capitals. Clear till here also? Illivargu artha aita? Yes. Now, what and all you people will be playing in components? It will be only in the file name which you create and app.jsx. File name which you create and app.jsx. JSX. Only in these two file components you will be playing. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? Which two files you will be playing with? Not cricketer, app.jsx, and the file name which you have created with .jsx, under which folder? Under the folder called as components. Clear till here also? Done? So now what I'm trying to do here is, I will go to this hello.jsx. Okay. Now let me go to this hello.jsx. Now what am I doing here? Since JSX means that you will be using the HTML code and not the HTML code, you will be using HTML and JavaScript. Yes, mainly you will be using JavaScript. Yes or no? If you observe the program which I have written here, I have not used any HTML code structure here. Have I used doc type HTML, head, title, body? Have I used this? No, nothing. So now I will start with the keyword called as function. Why function is because since it is a JavaScript is used to function in your web page or website. Clear till here? JavaScript ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ. ಪಾಪ ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಪಾಪ JavaScript ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಾ. How will you know? You will not know. ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗಂತೂ JavaScript ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, YouTube. Yes or no? ಅನಿತಾ ಅವರೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿ. Okay, clear till here? Yes. Now what I'm doing? I'm using the function keyword, and alone giving the keyword is not done. You will not get the project. You have to give the function name also. The function name I'm giving it as hello. Clear till here? Yes. Now, starting only I said JSX. If you are using any React application, the return type is .jsx. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now what I'm doing here, I have to return some value. Yes or no? So now what I'm doing, I'm just considering these and all are your HTML tags only. I am just using a div tag. I'm giving some class. If you don't give also, it will work. If you don't give also, it will work. Since there are further few things which I want to do. I don't want to tell it now. Now I'm just creating a div. I'm giving a class name, and then I'm saying I'm using the h1 tag, and I'm printing something called as hello from components. Ashte. Okay. Now the return type is closed. Now it will not return the value. Why it will not return the value? You have only declared the function. You have not called the function. If you anytime when you declare the function, you have to call the function. For calling the function in JavaScript, you used to write different code, which was very simple. But here in React, you will be using export, default, and this one will be your what? This one will be your function name. Clear till here? Clear till here? Any doubt, Kanaya? Any doubt? No. Understood with this one? Now when I run this, I will not get the output. But instead, I will get the previous output. Why I will get the previous output? You have not imported. You have just exported it, but you have not imported it. Ditesh, ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಣೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಲೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ನೀನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ತಾನೆ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ತಾನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಲೇ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಬಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಣೋ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು okay so now done till here done till you got to know what is hello.jsx in hello. I have just created a file and I just want to print this one. That's all. That is the reason I'm giving a file name with the .jsx extension. Clear till here? Clear till here? Any doubt? No. So now where you have to mention the components, you will where you will be mentioning the components in app.jsx. Yes or no? What you have to print there? Hello. What? See, this hello is what? This hello is what? What you had given in hello.jsx as the function name. I am using that function name here. In JavaScript, HTML, CSS and all, what you used to do? In that same page only you used to give the function name. But here, since app.jsx is the folder or the page where your entire web page will be running, that is the reason you will be giving it in app.jsx. Clear? Clear? So now the same function, I have given the function name as app. Whenever I declare a function, it is supposed to have a return type. I am giving return. Now I have to call that function. I had created one file called as hello.jsx. Inside that I had given hello from components. That has to be printed. Now don't you think that this is acting like external sheet? This is acting like external sheet. It is acting like external sheet. Yes. Now what I'm doing, I'm just calling that function which you had given in JSX. What is that function? Hello. JSX means you will be writing the starting letter in capital. Clear? Clear till here? Now again if I run this, it will not run. Why? Because you have not called the function. Again I will give export default. And this function name you have to give. That what is the function name? App. Clear? Again it will not run. You will get one error. Because you have to import that folder even in your app.jsx. Clear? Clear? This is nothing but import the function name from, this is nothing but the folder name which you are giving. Clear? What is the folder name? Components. Components. Yes. What is the file name? Hello. That one only I have given. Then only you will get the output like this. Clear? Any doubt you have? Pakka? Ma'am, is it only this one I can give? Can I give expressions? Can I give expressions? How will you give expressions? Ma'am, I want to give expressions inside this. First, you will understand. Okay, I'll not dig much into it. Okay, you understood till here. Any doubt, Ditesh, I'll come and teach you. Others except Ditesh. Anyone has any doubt? Any doubt? No? Artha aita? 3 kilometers backwards U-turn nodkom banta? Huh? Online students, are you people clear? Online students, are you people clear? Display. Okay. Guys, try this in your laptop. Run your brains. Okay. Don't put cockroach inside your brain. Cockroach was there before. Now it's not there. Okay. Okay, online students, keep doing it. Online students, done with this? Guys, I'll not continue much on this one. Okay, so you got to know what is components. Yes, by using different tags, you do the same thing. When you come back, I'll start with next. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, guys, everyone scan with your attendance. Yeah, everyone scan with your attendance. Yeah, everyone scan with your attendance. After you scan with your attendance, you can leave for the day. And advance happy Diwali. Everyone enjoy. Monday, you people don't have my class. My class is not there. You people have Java class and Parshuram sir's class. Okay, done. Saturday, you people have Java class, which is already informed. Yeah, Saturday, you people have Java class, Sanjay. Saturday, you don't have my class. Clear? Guys, you don't have link for this. Please scan with the scanner only.